All right, so I got these Scar Audio subwoofer conversions inside the house. So much easier to roll around with casters. And got these things dialed in, tuned up, checked, and everything. Long story short, swapped out one of the crowns for the Behringer, which has 1600 watts per channel, cranked up the speakers, get these things rah, 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 doing that, and heard some weird sounds coming out of the vent port. I was like, you gotta be kidding me. Did I screw up making these, or something's just not quite right? You know what the problem was? Check this out. Look behind here. I can't make this stuff up. Right down here on the speaker jack, there's two SpeakOns right here. This thing was just freaking blasting out air when those woofers were articulating. So I just put a piece of Gorilla black tape on there, the heavy duty shit. Took care of that real quick. No problem. Sounding pretty damn good with these Model L96 JBLs, 1982 version. Pretty damn good sound. A lot more space in this living room. A little bit better fit than having four of those big Yamaha 18-inch cabs in here. And these JVCs are just too great sounding to leave out in the garage. So I cleaned them all up. They work freaking perfect. So there you have it. Just, audio perfection. Just trying to get there, whatever. Later.